everybody, my name is McClendon. I'm giving you guys some updates in the market and showing you what my perspective is, and hopefully this can help you guys out. So let's hop right into it. So first thing, guys, looking at the bonds, the 10-year yield. Now 10-year yield has been going down a little bit, which you might be seeing that the markets have been going up, kind of a little inverse thing happening right now. That's pretty interesting that it's pretty much going down. Now, you guys want to keep an eye on this to see if there's any changes. Now, we're looking on the monthly, we'll zoom into the daily. And that we might be bouncing off this ahead a little bit higher, or we might maintain. But we got to keep a close eye on this and the status of the markets, because basically almost all the indexes are at record highs. But let's check out gold. Now, gold is taking a little bid right here. Now, the dollar has been getting kind of punished, but the gold overall has been getting kind of crushed since the $2,100 level. But to me, it's all buying level. Anything that's down here is just cheaper and cheaper and making it easier for me to buy. So what I'm doing is capitalizing off this disparity, off this little downturn, and I'm buying more. Silver's in the same category, sitting at $25.97. You're not going to be buying it, maybe getting at $35, $36 when you buy bullion, because the spread is so large, so much orders you're buying. So the spread is pretty large. Be aware of that, but it still does not discourage the buying for me. Now let's share oil. I've been telling you oil is going to hit $100. I'm on many different markets hitting that level up higher, so I think oil has to go higher to help perpetuate the other markets to go up. The Federal Reserve, central banks need this to go higher, so they're going to make it go higher. Now, I don't talk about much about crypto, but I am going to look at XRP. Look at this massive movement up. Now, in my opinion, I think a lot of these cryptocurrencies are being, their price is being expanded. They're going higher in price because of the stimulus checks. I think a lot of things are increasing because of stimulus checks. Now, if you don't think so or agree, just let me tell me what your thoughts are below. I'm not saying it's 100% of the reason, but I think a lot of the reason why it gone up so parabolically is because of the Federal Reserve. Because of the Congress giving out this free money. So I think for Litecoin is also doing the exact same thing. I prefer Litecoin more than the other ones, just because how it trades. But pretty much all of them is very similar. Now, this one is the dog coin. This is pretty interesting. Now, this big boost right here, interesting. Massive higher. Is it going to go higher? I have no freaking clue. I'm not in this race. I'm not in this market. I have no idea. But it could go higher. It can go lower. It can go down to zero. But man, I'm happy for those who got in this roller coaster. Enjoy it. Now we got Bitcoin. Bitcoin is taking some pressure right now, but I think once again Bitcoin is not going lower. It's probably going to go higher. But I don't know long term what it's going to be. Long term, I go back down to zero or go to the moon. No idea. Tell me what your guys' thoughts are below, though. Now I'll look at the dollar. Now the dollar's been taking a lot of pressure, a lot of pressure. If you look at Forex markets, like you look at USD JPY, it's been a good short. Now this may be temporary, may be permanent. We don't know, but we'll see. But if the dollar heads up higher, it may be kind of hard with the bonds. You know, we'll see. We'll see what this the central planners want to do with us, do with the dollar. My bad. And here's our website, guys. I added another page on here and to give you guys some more updates on all the cryptocurrencies. So please check it out. Oh, gotta fix that typo. But yeah, check out everything else. Indicators, gold and silver. If you guys want anything? Oh wow. Oh wow, image. Wow, crazy. Well, we'll see, guys. Tell me your guys' thoughts below. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm just gonna give you guys some updates on happening in the market, and keep you guys, you guys when you're in the markets trading, going to be aware of everything else. But that's it, guys. See you in the next video.